Top 3 things that you can do during this lockdown period. Number 1, find a hobby, find a skill, find something that you're more passionate and interested about and not be related to your academic background as well. For example, in my case, I am a computer science student, but yet I didn't focus on web development or my software engineering skills, but rather I worked on something that I'm more passionate about, which was public speaking. For a span of 2.5 months, I worked on my public speaking skills, watched tutorials on the internet, stayed at home, practiced hard, and I contested in one of the seasonal competitions in the country, Master Orator Championship. I made it to the final round and I got third place in season 3. Not only just that, I picked up my Rubik's Cube, worked on my speed cubing skills, and also attended one of the reputed competitions in the country, which was Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup. After that, I was not able to win any competitions, but somehow I was a part of a great community full of speed cubers. If I was able to do such things, so can you. All you need to do is work on one thing, and within no time you will thank yourself for the golden period you have right now. The reason that you're not able to decide on a hobby or to follow it, even if you're passionate about it, is because you're insecure of what people are thinking about you. Let go of those feelings, let go of those thoughts, and you will start working on them without overthinking. You will start working on them without overthinking. I tell you, this period will persist for as long as it takes. It will take a lot of time to flatten the curve, and the doctors are yet to come out with a vaccine that can cure you from this virus. Number 2, what is it that you're more likely to do? Watch out for what you're looking on social media. Now, there is something that we all need to take control of, which is overconsumption. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, TikTok, all these platforms are so valuable that information is just right in our hands. But the most trending thing that we see today in this case is COVID-19. Now, the more you look for COVID-19 cases over social media, every time you open Facebook and Instagram, there is always a certain bad news. And those bad news, they are inflicting your mind, and your mental health is also getting destroyed. If you want to let go of that control, I suggest you not to look for COVID-19 cases every second of the day, but look for content creators who are making content to an extent where you get motivated and you get a daily dose of inspiration in some way or the other. Few suggestions that I have: Gary Vee, Think Media, Jay Shetty. If you start following such content creators who share inspirational stories and who share a lot of ideas to how you can deal with this lockdown period, you will look at a perception, you will realize that this lockdown period is of a golden opportunity. Number 3, what can you do during this lockdown period? Work on your communication skills. Now, you may be looking for a job in a corporate sector, and you may also be looking for a job in the government sector as well. In this country, lack of communication can lead to a lot of poisonous assumptions. I am a public speaker, and I must tell you, public speaking and communication are two different fields. Public speaking is all about the way you express yourself and the style in which you want to share. But communication is something that you need to work on, because the sensible things that you want to share, the value that you're trying to give to the people in front of you, is what that matters most. I am working on my communication skills, and I fail every day, and I try hard and do better the next day. I need you to focus on your communication skills so that there would come a time when you can work on your relationships, you can work on your academics, you can work on whatever that is necessary among social gatherings. I hope you found this video informative and convinced. Let me know in the comments if you have anything that you can suggest me as well during this lockdown period. Share this video with your friends. Share this video with your family. Let them know that this golden period is a blessing for all of us. Like always, like and subscribe. Subscribe soon, subscribe today. Peace.